Good morning, children. This is our English grammar class. Let's start another chapter. That is chapter 4, naming words. So open your book at page number 20. Naming words. All things around us like places, objects, people, animals, birds and insects have a name. Such words are called naming words or nouns. So children, all things around us have name and such words that denote name are called naming words or nouns. And there are two types of naming words, common names and or common nouns and special names or proper noun. Common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. कॉमन नेम्स तो देखो बच्चों नाउन क्या होता है. नाउन होता है नेमिंग वर्ड. नेमिंग वर्ड यानी नेम किसी भी चीज़ का, जगह का, एनिमल का, कोई पर्सन का, कोई इंसेक्ट का जो नाम समझाया जाएगा जिस वर्ड से वो ही है नेमिंग वर्ड या फिर इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नाउन. और ये नाउन्स कितने टाइप के होते हैं? 2 टाइप्स के. एक होते हैं कॉमन नाउन्स और एक होते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन्स. तो कॉमन नाउन्स क्या होते हैं? कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ if you follow some examples children we can understand this. कॉमन नेम्स जो होते हैं वो होते हैं कॉमन नाउन्स. जैसे कि देखो यहाँ पे आप लोग पिक्चर देखो. मैंने पिक्चर जो है कॉमन नाउन और स्पेशल नाउन के बैक टू बैक यहाँ पे पेस्ट किए हैं ताकि आप लोग और अच्छे से इसको समझ पाएँ. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन. कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ पर्सन्स teacher, doctor, cobbler, plumber, lawyer. Common names. Okay. You cannot define a particular person using these names. But when we say names of persons, particular names like Girish, Priya, John, Minnie. So these are called special names of person. Okay. So these are special names और प्रॉपर नाउन्स. तो देखो क्या है कॉमन नाउन्स. जैसे कि जब हम लोग बोलेंगे टीचर, डॉक्टर, कॉबलर तो वो हो जाते हैं. टीचर देखो बहुत टीचर हैं, इनमें से आप किनको बोल रहे हैं नहीं समझ में आएगा. डॉक्टर जनरली आप डॉक्टर को डॉक्टर बोल रहे हैं, पर जब आप किसी पर्टिकुलर डॉक्टर का नेम बोलेंगे या फिर पर्टिकुलर किसी टीचर का नेम, पर्टिकुलर कोई पर्सन का आप नेम बोल रहे हैं तब वो हो जा रहा है क्या? प्रॉपर नाउन या फिर स्पेशल नाउन्स. Okay, and remember children, proper nouns always starts with capital letter. Okay, next, common names of places. Common names of places: market, post office, school, park, house. These are common names of some places. Now when we say special names of places, special name Taj Mahal. Okay, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Sam Baker's shop, Kerala, Qutub Minar. So children, you can see स्पेशल नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस. जब आप लोग बोल रहे हैं मार्केट, पोस्ट ऑफिस, स्कूल, पार्क, हाउस, तो ये सब क्या हो जा रहा है? कॉमन नेम. डिफरेंट प्लेसेस के कॉमन नेम. ओके. जैसे आप अगर बोलेंगे पोस्ट ऑफिस तो वो कोई भी पोस्ट ऑफिस हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप अगर बोलेंगे स्कूल तो वो कोई भी स्कूल हो सकता है. पर्टिकुलर अगर आप अपने स्कूल का नाम बोलेंगे तब वो हो जाएगा स्पेशल नेम्स या फिर प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. चेयर, शर्ट, बस, बॉटल, फ्लावर्स. These are common names. And special names of objects: Bible, Earth, Moon, Hindustan Times. These are special names or proper nouns. Common names of animals like rabbit, monkey, ant, crow, ladybird. Okay. Some more special names. Days like Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are special names. Months like January, February, March. These are special names or proper nouns. Okay. Let's next exercise page 23. First look at the words, look at the names given in brackets. Now you have to fill the blanks using correct naming words. I make things out of wood. I am a carpenter. I am a carpenter. Number 2, I mend shoes. I mend shoes. I am a cobbler. Right here, cobbler. Number 2, cobbler. Right here. Number 2 here, cobbler. COBBLER. Number 3, I treat you when you are ill. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. So write here doctor. Number 3, doctor. DOCTOR. Number 4, I fight the enemy of my country. I am a soldier. SOLDIER. Number 5, this one. I grow crops. I am a farmer. FARMER, farmer. Okay. Next, 6. I deliver your letters. I am a postman. Correct. Right here, postman. POSTMAN, postman. You can see the spelling here. Right here, postman. I catch the robbers. I am a policeman. Right here, policeman. Next, find names of 10 common things that you can see in this picture and color those boxes. So children, here you can see some names are written in boxes. Now if you find this thing in this picture, then you have to color the boxes. Like first one is bed. Can you see bed here in this picture? Bed. No, I cannot see bed here in this picture. So leave this box. Bin. Can you see bin in this picture? Yes. Bin. So color this box. Next one, dog. Can you see dog in this picture? Yes. Here is the dog. So color this box. In this way, children, color the box which thing or person you can see in this picture. Okay. Next, look at the pictures and write 2 common names under each category. Like first one, vegetables, and here you have to write name of 2 vegetables. Okay, like pumpkin, carrot. Now fruits, you can write here mango, banana, or you can write watermelon, apple, grapes, lemon. Write 2 names. Okay, any 2 names. Toys, here you can write teddy bear or ball, toy car. Okay. Flowers, write name of 2 flowers here. Like you can write rose, jasmine, lily. Okay. Next, drinks, write 2 names. 2, and like you can write lemon juice or you can write apple juice. Okay. Shapes, you can see different shapes here. Write 2 names like square, rectangle, hexagon. Okay. Square, in this way, square or circle. Okay. Write 2 names here. Insects, write here name of 2 insects like ant, spider. Okay. Or you can write butterfly, mosquito. Birds, you can write hen, you can write penguin, duck, owl. Name of any 2 birds. Animals, then vehicles, bus, car. Clothes, trousers, shorts, trousers, skirt, top, frock. Okay, write any two names here. And numbers, you can write any two, name of any two numbers here. Next, this is page number 26. Fill in the name of month in each of these sentences. Dash is a cold month. So here children, you have to write name of a cold month that ends with Y. So January is a cold month. So write here January. January. Okay, January. January. Next, number 2, it is summer in May. Next, dash is second month of the year. So which one is the second month of the year? Yes, it is February. February. A is given RY, February. Gandhiji was born in October. Yes, October. Santa brings gift in December. Yes, December is given ER. It rains all day long in August. 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 Next, write two special names for each of the following. Your family members. So children, here you have to write two special names of two family members, names of two family members. Like you can write your name, your father's name, mother's name. Okay. Your teachers. Now you have to write names of two teachers. Your favorite storybooks. Write here name of your favorite storybooks. Then your favorite places. Remember, you have to write special names. You cannot write park. Okay, you have to write special names. If you want to write name of park, then you have to write particular name of that park. Okay. Your friends, write names of your friends. Two friends. यहाँ पे आप लोगों को स्पेशल नेम लिखना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि फैमिली मेम्बर्स के नेम, टीचर्स के नेम, फेवरेट स्टोरी बुक्स के नेम और फेवरेट प्लेसेस के नेम। जैसे कि आपको क्या स्पेशल नेम लिखना पड़ेगा, ये याद रखिए, आप लोग कॉमन नेम नहीं लिख सकते हैं। Fill in the blanks with the help of the address given on the envelope. Mr. Ali Khan, 10 Gandhi Road, Blue Pine Street, near Happy Valley School, Mumbai 380009, Maharashtra, India. Name of the person. Now children, look at the address given here, and now you have to fill the blanks. Name of the person. So name of the person is Mr. Ali Khan. Right here, Mr. Ali Khan. Now name of the road. Name of the road. Name of the road. 10 Gandhi Road. Name of the street, Blue Pine Street. You can see here, Blue Pine Street. Blue Pine Street. Write it here. So in this way children, complete the remaining blanks. Look at the address given above and complete the blanks. यहाँ पे जो एड्रेस दिए हैं, देखो आप लोग, ये एड्रेस को फॉलो करके ये ब्लैंक्स जो है वो कंप्लीट कीजिए। ठीक है। सो इन दिस वे कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर।